making a delicious Mother's Day recipe for you to share with your mum this Mother's Day. So what we're making is raspberry pancakes, which you can make for breakfast in bed. So what we're going to be using for this recipe is 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 to 1.5 scoops of vanilla protein powder. I'm going to be using 1 banana, 2 eggs, about a teaspoon of baking powder, a sprinkle of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, and just a dash of almond milk. Now I'll be using fresh raspberries for this recipe as well. So first we're going to make the pancake batter. So what we're going to do is chuck all of our ingredients except for the raspberries into our blender and blend it until it's nice and smooth. And then we are going to heat a fry pan over medium heat and grease that with butter or coconut oil. And then we're going to cook about a 1/4 cup amount of batter. And then into that batter, while it's cooking, we're going to break our raspberries in half and then add that into the mix, flip it over and cook each side for about 2 minutes.